Please, Nigerians, my name is Ifikes. What happened at Jabi Lake Mall is not what you think. There is no sign of cheating there. There is no sign of cheating there. I know my man overreacted, fine, collected his engagement ring, the things he bought for me. Do you see any sign of this cheating there? Do you see any sign of cheating? Was that on top of a man? The calls are too much. The messages are too much. I see reason why some people commit suicide. Please, I'm begging all of. That video is not about cheating. My man overreacted. Yes, it's fine. I'm having. Please, there is no sign of cheating. No cheating. No cheating. He overreacted. Fine. There is no sign of cheating. The insult are too much. I beg you all in the name of God. Please, I'm begging all of you. Please, don't add to my depression. Don't add, please. What happened to me wasn't funny. So people should stop all this thing. There is no cheating. People should not. I lost my man. Fine. I don't want people to give me a name that is not mine. Please. People are adding to the things, right? You guys are putting forward. There is no sign of cheating. Please.
Hello, now welcome back for KONGOSSA&GOSSIP TV. This one na the video, if at all you never know which video they talk about. This one na video where it happened for Lake Mall for Nigeria, my people. Where this lady won na this year, na in that for this so it did for H, it did with that white t-shirt on na this year, and he fiancé that way he stand up so where he wear that native phone na this year so, and he be there on a date with another guy where na this year, the way the guy goes foolishly and selfishly wake up. They go and leave the girl for that kind situation where they embarrass her so this fiance, he actually enter into the mall, he meet up, he get a date with the boy on the sea for corner. The fiance, when I say the boy they come out now, my people, the boy don't leave the girl for day. So the fiance now he vex, he take an engagement ring from the girl. He take a wig where he buy her for ye when I bone straight. He take his slippers, my people. Una feel imagine. Even if na waiting, if you want to take your bone straight wig where you buy them for the girl, you want to take your engagement ring, you go take slippers to where you buy them, my people. Now so it disgrace the girl as soon as they see, and so it disgrace the girl. And some couples every day where them to the beginning, actually they take their lunch. Now when they see the issue, they say no, they more videotape them on the man that they go. My people, wait till not think about this video. Wait till not think say wait till this man do so if fair. Now which kind of gentleman fi actually do this kind of thing? It means say no be gentleman. You no say there are certain situations where you know if you put your woman for day, you're not supposed to expose your woman for day, my people. So the girl don't actually go into depression because they wait. A lot of people don't talk about the matter. A lot of people don't talk. Relatives they don't call because they for a relationship forget to the extent where they be engaged. It means say family members they know about them, friends they know about them, even enemies they know about them, my people. So the boy now he don't go give a lot of version for outside. He talks say he meet up the girl, they cheat on him. He meet up the girl with another man. Now the reason that way he don't broke an engagement with this girl. Now the reason where he do the acts where he do them. So plenty people don't they call my people. They call the girl, they ask and say, but which kind of attitude now you do so? Which kind of behavior now way you do so? Certain now one way you don't go, they don't go embarrass you so they don't aim talk for you. And he talks saying she was not cheating on her man. He talks saying no be cheating, be really cheat on the man. They never meet up you way another man be there on top his skin way he the jogodo with the man. He no be the jogodo with the man, so no be cheating. Now true say he man meet up for that kind of situation. Now true say that if fiance he take an engagement ring back for him. Now true say that if fiance he take the slippers for you and he take a bone straight hair. He disgrace you, but that one no be because he begin to cheat, my people. Waiting me that I get for talk now say as soon as you see this situation, so no matter what you not supposed to do and what this girl do, it is still worsening the whole situation. Why? Because when you wanna look this video, my people, they see the girl face well. You don't know now who they talk, now who they take the wig to, now who they actually they meet up for the mall with the disgrace and that kind of way. You don't know, my people, because the video where the videotape it they far. Even though the girl is struggle for bring and close, for zoom and close make we see, my people, it still be very far. We will not be fit see the face. But because say the girl don't go into depression, you know, it don't come out now can show we a face. You see, now you don't take it to hand, can expose itself. My sister, we don't see you. We don't know whether na cloud you the chase, but I want tell you, say, not go into depression because of man picking. You not yeah, because of jogoto and because of marriage or because of fiancé, my people. Yes, the boy he don't do what he don't do. You supposed to put her for corner. If na say they are fiancé and true, he know who you be. When you talk say you know they cheat before. You know who you be. He not supposed to do the kind thing so for you. He supposed to know how for resolve matter. And for them band to where you go do this kind thing for your woman for mall. If you don't decide for engage with some girl where you don't decide say you want marry them, you supposed to know what that girl fit do and what that girl no fit do. And for stand your ground as a gentleman, you're not supposed to do so. My people, this thing called my skin, the man carry he carry slippers where the girl be wear for food. Now send me the girl do her before he go back for house. You know the shame. You know that is it disgrace the girl to the fullest. I want to talk for all these ladies they out there. You know the kind man where you get them. People then they no one even see their girlfriend with man picking, talk less of having another affair with another man. You know the kind people where you know the kind man where you they date them. Mind the way where you they do your things. Mind the places the way you they go out, because now so they go disgrace you publicly. Mind the people the way you they work out with them. And this kind man where he run leave the woman. So when I see him, that man where she not for them with that yellow Hodi, he just come out, he go like say he no be there with the woman. He just abandon it. So my people, he tell you say, oh yo is your case, so now you want you day. My people, now because I don't see that update way, that girl he come out for show it face. I say no, I must make this video. Me will not say the girl don't decide for show it face. He don't decide for tell we say now ye way this kind matter it happened for him for Lake Mall, my people, for Nigeria. Now bring us say make we to see him. Now he don't bring. He say he don't lost a fiancé. Now all that engagement don't finish, married don't chakara. I know how social media did now. Social media, you know, they lost memory. Social media, you know, they lost sense. So social media, they keep their matter. So now, so this girl, he don't make an answer. So people go take her for. If we say me get another man now, my people, it go difficult because we'll not be see face now. He don't bring face. Can show we. Now say my bring. I wait to not think about this matter, my people. And I go leave una very soon. But if you dare you never subscribe for my channel for Kongossa and Gossip TV, wait till you do wait for. I beg, like this video, subscribe, and you turn on the notification bell so that you go be updated whenever just go day. And I go see you now for my next video. No forget for share, my people. Ciao.